Right, so this video shows you how to fix a certain noise that the steering makes. It could be humming noise, whirring noise, or whining noise. The most plausible root causes could be uneven weight distribution. It could be that the wheel bearing is going bad. It could be a host of other reasons, but bottom line is that I took this car for an engine oil and filter change, and about 2 weeks from the change, this noise developed. So it could be a host of reasons, but I had to eliminate, to troubleshoot and to delve more into the root cause. So after taking it for a test drive, getting one of the mechanics in, he couldn't work out what it was. I decided to troubleshoot it myself. So I'll show you how I resolved this issue. I'm not saying it's the only solution for this problem. It could be any other problem, but I had to just do simple checks. So firstly, I made sure that the engine oil was topped up and it wasn't leaking. So as soon as I had done that, I decided to check the power steering fluid, which no one had bothered checking. So in trying to undo the power steering fluid cover out, it was very, very difficult. And it's even more difficult when the car is very hot. So ensure that you're doing it when the car is cooled down. And you'd have to have very rugged hands, or roughnecks hand to get it out. But in most cases, when you're tightening it back, just make sure it's not overly tight, so that when you're trying to get it out, you can easily get it out. So I topped it up with the power steering fluid. It's got a min max type of gauge, so you're not put in more than you require. And I decided to see if that worked, and if it didn't work, I'd have to troubleshoot it further. But bottom line was that I topped it up to the required levels. Just way above minimum, not overly maxed out, and put the dipstick back into its reservoir. And basically the power steering fluid that you need, or hydraulic fluid, is bespoke to I think your reg. So you can go into your local car shop, and they'll pretty much give you the power steering fluid that you require. So you can see here, I haven't topped it up past the max level, and it's way above minimum. It happened that I've never really bothered changing the power steering fluid, and ever since I got this car, there's been multiple full servicing, interim services, and I never did just bother asking if the power steering fluid was topped up, or what at what level. I just had my faith in the professionals and stuff. But it's always advisable that you do your own individual check. So topped it up, and the problem disappeared. I didn't have the weird noise that was emanating from the steering. So I pretty much turn on the ignition or start the engine, and the noise is not evident. I turn the steering also, and you can see that the noise has completely disappeared post changing the oil. The slightly high pitched noise that you hear is for the air condition. It should not be confused with the humming noise. I should have turned that off. But basically, I'm 100% confident that the noise has disappeared. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully catch up with you soon as I've got more upcoming videos. Goodbye.